Hello there, welcome back to the channel. We are Steve and Raina. This is Wandering Songs, and we are in Oregon at the Deschutes State Recreation Area.
It's a beautiful day here. The sun is shining, and we're gonna go do some kayaking.
Yeah.
Why don't you come along with us?
Quickly floating down the Deschutes River
Very quickly.
at the end of it where it meets the Columbia, which ultimately meets into the ocean. It's pretty awesome.
Swift. It's a swift current.
Yeah, the current's definitely, I got all the way up to the rapids and I almost got swamped.
It's pretty.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Man, what a beautiful spot.
So beautiful.
Oh, man, this is awesome. Man. Ugh.
I can't wait for you to watch that other one and be like, oh my god, what's that sound I just made?
I don't know.
Can you hear him breathing? It's so loud.
Man, what a beautiful spot. This is just, this fish jumping like right behind me.
It's very distracting.
Yeah, it is. But it's gorgeous.
I want to fish for them.
Yes. Thank you for being here with us. Thank you for coming along on the journey. We really appreciate it. And as always,
Like, comment,
share. What's the other one? Oh,
subscribe.
More updates to come.
See you guys soon.